Jeremy, I lent you my bike, and now look what you've done. Come back, and it's a completely different thing.
Well, we had to. I think you had about 4 or 5 BMW GS.
Yes, I did.
But you never made any customization or personalization.
No, we didn't, because we're all so busy customizing things here in the garage.
Correct.
Now the GS has been customized.
Just to make it a little bit special, I didn't went crazy in terms of modification. It's a GS BMW, so obviously it's very good for adventure. I just personalized it a little bit more.
Personalized, yes.
We did the SKDA vinyl wrap kit with the marine camo and the big branding across the bike. That covered pretty much every plastic.
And that's from the apartment upstairs.
Yeah, so the guys designed it with SKDA. And then I used as well a couple of ride-in jackets that we sell in the shop, for the blue one and the white one, which incorporated the logos in the seat, the front and the back, and the panel in front of the seat as well, just to make it a bit more personal. I've used as well some parts from Evotech, all the protection grills for headlights, spotlights, and the radiators, just to make sure it's all protected properly. And I powder coat them in red with some of the original parts of the motorcycle to personalize it, brand it a little bit, make it going all the same similar colors.
Yeah.
Using the blue, the white, and the red, not for the French flag, but for the BMW racing colors.
It's also an Australian flag too, Jeremy.
Oh, true,
anyway.
So for the adventure as well, I fitted 2 DNA free flow air filters and a complete exhaust system made out of titanium from Zard. A very fancy and beautiful system made in Italy. We put some Metzeler tires, the Caru 4, front and back. And then I just added the last little gadget like the quad lock, the Garmin, all the navigation stuff that's available. So
you'll need that navigation.
I'll be ready for the adventure.
Yeah. No, it's come up very nice, Jeremy. You look after it now.
I will.